In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory issues. Whether you're working on an intricate project or just starting out, running into memory problems can bring your creative process to a halt. Fortunately, I'm here to help you address this issue step by step so you can get back to editing smoothly. First and foremost, let's make sure all your hard work is safe. It's crucial to save any open projects in Premiere Pro. Once your projects are secure, go ahead and quit the application. This might sound like a basic step, but often, closing and reopening Premiere Pro can clear up temporary glitches causing memory issues. Next, go ahead and give your machine a good reboot. You might be surprised at how effective this simple action can be. Rebooting your computer clears out temporary files and resets system processes, potentially freeing up much-needed memory. This is especially helpful if you haven't shut down your system in a while, as it stops all running background processes that could be using your RAM unnecessarily. Once your computer has restarted, it's time to check how your system's resources are being used. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+USC. This will open the Task Manager, giving you insight into what's consuming your system's resources. Within Task Manager, navigate to the Performance or Processes tab. Here, you'll be able to see your computer's RAM usage. It's important to keep an eye on this, as a high percentage of RAM usage here can indicate which applications are eating into your memory. After identifying memory usage, close any memory-hungry background applications that aren't essential to your current task. Common memory hogs include web browsers with dozens of tabs open, or other video editing software that you might have running in the background. By closing these applications, you can free up significant memory, which will likely provide Premiere Pro with the resources it needs to operate smoothly once again. Remember, the fewer applications you have open, the more resources you can dedicate to your editing endeavors. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to tackle low system memory issues in Adobe Premiere Pro. By following these steps, you'll have a cleaner, more efficient editing environment, enabling you to focus on what you do best: creating amazing content. If these issues persist, you might want to consider upgrading your RAM or looking into optimizing Premiere Pro's settings for improved performance. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.